At least 72 people have died in several days of floods and mudslides triggered by heavy rains in Peru, officials say. The floods, the worst in almost 30 years, have affected over half the country. More than 800 towns and cities have declared a state of emergency. The capital, Lima, has been without water since Monday, and services are only now being restored. The armed forces have been deployed to help police control law and order across Peru. There are shortages of food and water in many areas, and prices have risen by 5% on average in the past week, the government said. The heavy rains have stopped for now, but forecasters say the unstable weather is expected to continue for a few weeks. In recent months, Peru and other countries around the Pacific Ocean have been affected by the phenomenon known as El Niño, a rise in sea temperatures that increases evaporation and brings about heavy rains. In Luke 21:25, Jesus warned us of times like these. He said, "And there will be signs in the sun and moon and stars, and on the earth distress of nations in perplexity because of the roaring of the sea and the waves."